Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove screen recording touch point word circle in your phone Nothing Phone One. First, go to the notification area and select the screen record icon, and here you will show an option show touches on screen. If it is turned on, then you will have screen recording touch point word circle on screen recording. So you have to make sure that this button is turned off, then only you will not have any screen touches in the screen recording. That screen touches will be marked like a white circle, and that will be traced when you do screen recording with your phone. Now I turn off it and I show it now. I click on start screen recording, and yes, it started now. I go to front screen in my phone. Now I stop the recording and play the file. You will not have any screen touches in the result file because I have already chosen not to show screen touches while screen recording. In this way, you can easily remove screen recording touch point word circle in your phone Nothing Phone One. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.